Is obesity just about eating too much, or is there more to the story? What if I told you the obesity might actually be a sign of malnutrition? Sounds strange, right? Here's a surprising truth. Many people who struggle with obesity aren't overeating. They're missing key nutrients that their bodies need to burn fat and keep blood sugar in balance. Today we're going to take a deep look at obesity through the lens of four-dimensional health, approach that examines your health from perspectives of anatomy, biochemistry, energy, and soul. Along the way, we'll share simple tips to help you reboot your metabolism and feel great again. Hi, I'm Dr. J.D. Yang. Welcome to Four-Dimensional Health. Health is our greatest wealth, and my mission is to help you protect it. If you like what you hear, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with someone who might need it. Obesity is a sign, not a problem. A lot of people think obesity is just about gaining fat, but it's really a signal that something deeper is wrong. For example, when your body lacks key nutrients like magnesium, chromium, or vitamin D, your metabolism slows down and your body starts storing more fat. Why this happens? Magnesium and chromium, these nutrients help your insulin work properly to manage blood sugar. Without them, sugar stays in your bloodstream and gets stored as fat. Vitamin D, low levels make your body store more fat and weaken your immune system while increasing inflammation. Furthermore, let's talk about what you're eating. If your diet is full of the white rice, white bread, and sugary snacks, you are probably missing out on fiber, one of the most important nutrients for weight control. What does fiber do? Fiber slows down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar steady and your appetite in check. Without it, your blood sugar spikes and crashes, and leaving you hungry and craving more food. Studies show that adding just 10 grams of fiber a day can significantly reduce belly fat. What shall we eat? Whole grains, leafy greens, and fruits like apples are great sources of fiber. Thinking of them as your fat-burning friends. From Chinese medicine perspective, obesity often related to what we call a weak spleen. The energy of spleen is responsible for burning food into energy. If it is not working properly, your body ends up storing what it can't process as fat or fluid retention. Here are some simple fixes. Eating vegetables before your main meal can help support your digestion, stabilize your blood sugar, and keep your energy balanced. Did you know that unstable blood sugar can make you anxious, irritable, or even aggressive? Research shows that when your blood sugar drops, your brain doesn't get enough energy, which will lead to mood swing. A study published in Behavioral Neuroscience found that low blood sugar triggers emotional instability, increases the stress hormone cortisol, which makes the problem worse. It becomes a vicious cycle. When you are under constant stress, your body pumps out cortisol, which not only messes with your blood sugar, but also make it harder to burn fat. I had a patient who worked in a high-pressure job and often turned to sugary snacks for comfort. He gained over 15 kilograms in a year and became irritable and short-tempered. After adjusting his diet, starting every meal with vegetables and supplementing magnesium and vitamin D, his mood improved dramatically and he lost weight steadily. Another patient of mine, a 35-year-old woman, was always tired after meals and couldn't lose weight no matter what she tried. I gave her simple suggestions. Eat a small bowl of veggies like broccoli or spinach before every meal. Guess what? In 3 months, she lost 10 pounds and her energy levels has improved. Another patient, a 45-year-old man, struggled with big blood sugar swings and constant cravings. We added magnesium, vitamin D-rich foods to his diet. Think spinach, almonds, and salmon. Within a month, he felt calmer, slept better, and lost 6 pounds. So, here's some practical tips for you. Start every meal with vegetables. Why? Veggies are packed with fiber, which slows sugar absorption, keep you full longer. Plus, they help your body digest everything else more efficiently. Try starting with a small bowl of steamed broccoli, a spinach, salad, or even simple vegetable soup. It's a game changer. Secondly, instead of white rice, go for quinoa or brown rice. A breakfast trade sugary cereal for eggs and avocado. Healthy fats and protein keep you satisfied and help stabilize your blood sugar. Tip 3. Supplement key nutrients. Magnesium found in spinach, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. Omega-3, salmon, walnut, flax seeds are great source. Vitamin D, get some sunlight or take supplements as needed. Manage your stress to balance your blood sugar. How? Take 5 minutes each day to do deep breathing or meditation. Just a few minutes of calm can lower your cortisol level and help your body process sugar better. Tip 5. Eat slowly and mindfully. Why? It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to realize you are full. If you're eating too quickly, you'll probably overeat before your body can tell you to stop. Obesity isn't just about eating too much. It's often about what you're missing. By looking at your health through the 4-dimensional approach, you can start making small changes that add up to big results. Whether it's eating more fiber, managing stress, or starting meals with veggies, and these habits can help you regain control of your health. Try starting every meal with vegetables this week and see how your body and mood respond. I would love to hear about your experience, so leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more practical health tips. Health is our greatest wealth, so let's protect it together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.